Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum class. Okay, today we're gonna to learn multiplication. And this is the topic that you excited to learn. But today we're gonna to learn about the concept of multiplication. Okay, for example number 1. Okay, we have Is here. We have Zakri here. And then we have Nada here. Okay, 3% here. 1% have 2 balloons. Zakri also have 2 balloons. And then Nada also have 2 balloons. Okay, so 3% here. 1% have 2 balloons. Okay, so the question is how many balloons? Okay, so the formula is G times O equal to T. Okay, G means group or person. Object means object. O means object of each person. T means total. T for object, G for group or person, times O for object of each person, and then equal to T. T is total. Okay, next. Person. How many person here? Is, Zakri, and Nada. So 3% times object of each person. So each person have object what? Balloons. Object here is balloon. So how many object? 2 balloons. So times 2 equal to total. So count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. So 3 times 2 equal to 6. Okay, let's move to the another example. Example number 2. Okay, example number 2. Okay, I have 2 boxes of marbles. So the question here is how many marbles? Then always remember the formula is G times O equal to T. So group here is 1, 2. We have 2 boxes. So 1, 2. So write down 2 times object. Object here is marble. So marbles here, each box have 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 4 equal to total. Total of what? Total of marble. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. 2 times 4 equal to 8. Okay, next. We go to exercise. Okay, so exercise here. We have 3 questions. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. The number 1 is you need to count the buttons. So how many the buttons? So here we have 3 t-shirt And then you need to count how many buttons here. And then you write down here the formula, which is G times O times T. And then you write down the answer. Okay, number 2, how many pins? Okay, here we have pin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group. And then times with the object. Object here is pin. And then you got the total. Okay, number 3. Number 3, the question is how many marbles? How many marbles? So you need to count the group first and then count the object. And then you can get the total. So you must remember here the formula is G times O equal to T. G times O equal to T. Group times dengan object of each group and then equal to total. Total you need to plus everything. After this, easy for you this one, and then we continue to memorize the CIFE, the times table. Okay. So this all for today. The end. Thank you, class.